All right, so gotta move some cars out of the way so I can have some space to work on. Hey, what's up guys? It's your boy Andre Garcia 5.0 right here, and today we're gonna be doing how should I say it? Today's gonna be an educational video. It's gonna be a boring video, but for those that are looking for a video like this, I'm sure it's gonna serve a very good purpose, because I sure was looking for a video like this. And so this is gonna be a how to replace your rear shocks on a 08 or 07 to 08 Honda Fit. All right, so let's get to it. All right, so we got both of the tires off. Put some jack stands on both sides. So yeah, check this out. These tires have a whole bunch of flat spots, and that is caused by a bad shock. As you guys can see, these tires were not really at the end of their life cycle, but what are you gonna do? Shit happens. All right, let's get to replacing these puppies. All right, so first you're gonna want to pop these out. Pretty easy to pop out. Let's do the other side, just like that. And boom, there you go. You guys have access to the top bolts. All right guys, so now we're under the car. You're gonna start off by removing these bolts right here at the bottom. As you guys can see, these ones right here. So let's get this one removed. I already started it up like so. All right, so now you're gonna need a 14 millimeter for the top bolt right here. Just gonna get it out like so. All right, just like that. It's ready to come out. All right, and now it is going to come out, and just like that, you have your first shock off. All right, so I found out that I have to use a jack to kind of lift this up so I can get the shock in nicely. I started threading this bolt down here, so I thought it doesn't fall, so I thought I could start off this one over here. So yeah, let me show you guys right now. So there it is. Now let's get it tightened up. All right, so now I tightened up this bolt right here. I hit it with the electric ratchet, and yeah, just make sure it's nice and tight, and you should be good to go. All right, now we are going to repeat the process on the other side, and I'll show you guys how it looks like in the end. All right, let's get to it. Check this out, guys. The ultimate sleeper. First ever Honda Fit with C6 ZR1 wheels and tires. Some little drag radials. Oh yeah, we're ready to race, baby. What you got? Oh, there you go. All right, it's all finished now. Looks pretty good. Looks how it's supposed to look like. All right, and now we're gonna go install 2 brand new Falcon tires. So yeah, let's go see what these look like. All right, right here, getting my tires replaced. These new shocks right here. Hell yeah. All right, so here they are. They are installed. Looking pretty crispy. See how the car drives now. And just like that, guys, this car drives like new again. Doesn't have any more, doesn't feel bumpy anymore. Rides pretty smooth. So yeah, I think mission accomplished. So yeah, I really hope you guys enjoy this video, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and if this is your first time here, don't forget to like and subscribe and share it to all your friends. I know this video had a bit of a different approach. It was more of an educational video and not a fun video, but hey, why not spread some wealth of knowledge? So yeah, guys, hope you guys have a good one, and see you guys on the next one. Peace.